What's going on, everybody? What is happening? Y'all ready? Today, back in action. February 26th, Wednesday, 8:25, 5 minutes before the market opens. We'll be day trading the S&P 500 today. We're going to be trading a $50,000 Apex evaluation. We're trying to pass this. For those of you that follow me, you know I've been trading for 18 years. Been day trading for 5 years, S&P 500. This year, we got introduced to prop firm trading, brand new to me. I was trying something. I was trying to do a different strategy at the beginning of the year, but I went back to what I do best. So we're going to be trading $50,000 Apex evaluation. All right, let's do it. S&P 500. All right, let me let everybody inside this room, and let's get to work. All right. Just want to make sure I got everything lined up. People are going to join the room here in a minute. The futures, pretty flat. I mean, the market's up a little bit, but I know what I got to do. Hang on. All right, let's get this bad boy resynced. Should be good now. Yeah, we're solid. All right, cool. What I want to do is kind of just moving things around here. How y'all doing? All right, just getting kind of set up, getting everything in place. I think we're good to go. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, good morning.
What's up, my brother? I'm just trying to get set up here. I think I am set up, but we'll see. We'll see, my brother. We'll see. All right. Just kind of got so many damn windows open.
It's easy to do.
You know what I'm saying? Jeez. And I got, got to have our WhatsApp room, got to have the toss, got to have fucking Sear charts, fucking shit, all sorts of stuff, man. We got new home sales at 9. It's not a red item. Hey, good morning, Jason. Didn't see you, brother. So we should be good. There we go. I think everything is ready to rock and roll. So we shall see how the wind blows today. Yeah. Dow Jones up. NASDAQ's up. S&P's up. I mean, nothing's lighting the world on fire, but it is up. So my accounts are going to renew here pretty soon. So I just kind of want to start over fresh, Spent 4 months of pretty much wasted. Completely wasted for me. Completely wasted. I have been taking some notes. I got to get back into I was rocking and damn, shit, I'm fucking dying here. I was rocking and rolling on this ES. Got away from it. Now I got to kind of get back into the groove, man. Kind of remember the notes. I was watching some of the videos in a members area, just trying to kind of get back into what's going on. Because there's a lot of little nuances that I was doing.
I had to kind of recalibrate myself on the setups.
Yeah, me too, bro.
How quick you can forget them.
Oh, my God. Isn't that crazy? I've been fucking doing that shit for 5 years, and in 4 months, I seem like I forgot like 70% of it. We'll see. What's going on, John? What's going on, Brandon?
Good morning, Jeff.
Hey, what's happening, brother? All right. Y'all do good? And let's see where the wind blows us today. All right. NASDAQ's up now. Russell 2000's up. S&P's up. I'm just kind of making sure we don't have any news announcements. We have an orange item. Shouldn't affect us. So everything is good. All right. Let me get ready. All right. A couple minutes shake out here. Oh, I do need to have toss pulled up. Shit. Damn it. Hang on. I need it for my clock. All right, I think we're good. I need to see that little clock. All right, what we got here? I'm gonna try something different on my target. I'm gonna try to do a runner today. If it'll work, we'll see. One thing about me is, I don't hide nothing. I got an invoice. That's funny. I got that invoice from the email for the software, right? Yeah, like that's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure I'll get a good dose of what's going on today. All right, I'm gonna start marking some stuff up here. But baby boy's working. I said, how have I done so wrong? All right, cool. We still got 30 seconds in this candle, so I might readjust my levels. I'm just trying to get it all set up. Yeah, I'll be readjusting them. Ticks are positive right now. All right, bounces and breakouts, baby. Bounces and breakouts. I'm going to show y'all a little easier way to do the bounce trade. I got a message yesterday about the bounce trade. So I'll show you. We're going to do an easier way today. It's going to be super easy for entry. All right, ticks 183. Not doing much. Watch for this break at its key level to the downside. Plenty of opportunities. Doesn't take but a couple good shots on a daily basis to do well. Again, I'm kind of just going to finish up this month of February. And then, I know we keep saying it, but in March, I'm just kind of starting over fresh. Everything that we did, or at least I did for the last 4 months, put it behind me. I'm going to start over fresh. See if we can pass these damn evaluations, man. Blew up 7 of those damn accounts trading that Urenco new system. Awful, bro. Awful. What's going on, Mitch? What's going on, Matt? What's going on, Mitch? Nicely done. Nicely done. Way to go, brother. I'm going to try to look at the chat, as much as I can. I mean, it's kind of hard. I got multiple screens everywhere, so if I kind of reply a little bit late, it's all good. We're in our room anyway. Brandon, Jason, Jeff, John, if y'all got any questions, obviously let me know. Thanks for being here, Mitch and Matt there on YouTube. And again, I'll pop in as much as I can, so just do y'all's thing. And y'all have a great trading day. I'll be at this a lot today. One thing I do, okay, when I was trading with those damn Urenco charts, holy crap, they were crazy. They would move up and down like an absolute maniac. One thing about going back to just the pure price action with the candlesticks, oh, it's a lot calmer. It is a lot calmer. I felt like a complete maniac. We got a divergence, potential bullish divergence that's kind of printing, right? That's the Forecast Pro. So for those of you that have the Forecast Pro, I don't have it here, but I have the upper study set. So you can see it's still printing a potential bullish divergence. It does it automatically. So we could get a pop. So you got to have the Forecast Pro upper study set. You can go ahead and erase the lines. You also got in the members area. Not only that am I having to go back through the course, my own damn course, because of that damn NASDAQ stuff, but it has the code for our study set, which comes with these lines, right? It draws our key levels. Big deal. Again, trading the ES, we only need 1 or 2 good shots a day to make good money. So be patient, right? It doesn't be like we're doing the NASDAQ where I was taking like 38 trades a day. And not to mention, the commissions on this ES are a little bit higher, it looks like, with the rhythmic. They're higher. So I don't want to take a bunch of trades and pay a whole bunch of commission either. Right now we're flat. 13. Things still in sync. Bounces, breakouts, in-trend momentum entries, right? Really, setup number 2 and 3 are both bounces. All right, so let's see what happens here. Maybe we can get some juice to the upside. Watch the VWAP. That's a key level we got to pay attention to. I don't like that. The VWAP is right there. I personally don't like entering right underneath the key level. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait. Charles says he's cautious. Yeah. I'm going to just kind of draw this line out with his VWAP. All right, so we are breaking through that VWAP. Let's see how we can let's see how we react. That's a little tricky. You know, I don't want to get stuck at that key level. I'm not entering there. I'm just getting it set up. I don't really like that wick. You know what? We could get in if it busts up through 250. I'm really kind of leery on that wick. But if you want to get in at 250, you can. It's just, I'm very leery about that VWAP, to be honest with you. And I don't like this candle. So I'm going to back off this one. There's going to be plenty of opportunities today, but this right here with this VWAP, I'm not too excited about. I'll wait. There's going to be a lot of opportunities, I know it, so I'm not in a hurry. Again, yeah, so I'm just going to back off for a minute. And plus, when I see that setup bar, I want it to be a strong bar. I'm not a big fan of that wick pulling back. So right there, there's no momentum. I'm glad I didn't jump in. Okay, Charles is making his notes. See, I'm glad. It was not a very strong momentum bar.
And I know you're not watching them, but Charles's pivot is at 92 as
well.
Oh,
is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, Charles's bias up pivot, 92. Yeah, I just don't plot him in the morning, but yeah, thanks for letting me know, because we know Charles's pivots are big-time levels. And actually, I think that probably went right to, it's actually right on top of his pivot pretty much. Thanks for that, John. Appreciate it, brother. Charles went short at his pivot. I need to put the VWAP on this up chart because the VWAP's right here. So this could be a setup number 2, and I would be interested in going along, even though time is getting close to the 15-minute range. And again, I'm trading 2 contracts, $50,000 account. It don't take but like 2 trades. Shit, even 1 trade. If the first trade works good, technically, if I was trading a PA account, that son bitch would be done. All right, so we got 3 minutes before the 15-minute range. This is a setup number 2, but we're trading right now. We're trading back inside the opening 3-minute range. Just be careful. Bam. Charles went short at his pivot, man. Again, Charles has his system, right? Only thing I tell people is don't do something unless you understand what you're doing. Charles does, obviously. So here it is right here, bro. 8 ticks. 8 ticks is first target. Now, I set this at 80 because I'm going to work on a runner, but my first target is 8 ticks, brother. 2 points. My stop is 2 points, and my first target is 2 points. Then I'm going for 20 points, but I'm not going to probably get the 20. I got management strategies along the way. Same thing as we were doing, even though we probably forgot, right? Seems like it's been a long time. All right, so I'm going to mark this level up here. And again, I'm in absolutely no hurry. I will be taking a lot more shots than I was taking before we did that NASDAQ experiment. Just so you know. Plus, I am trading in the afternoon. Right now, we're just chopping around. Bounces and breakouts. Again, I'm going to be talking about bounces today. A little bit easier way whenever we take a bounce trade. I'm going to go ahead and draw these lines. Software draws it, but it doesn't draw until 3 minutes after. All right, Mitch. Mitch is trying along at 85.50. I just know that just whatever you do, be consistent. That was the problem with that NASDAQ. I couldn't get consistent, man. I would win, and then I would think I had it figured out, and then I would freaking lose. And then I would win, and I'd be like, I got it, and then I would lose. And then I would win, and I would get angry, and then I would lose, and then I would lose, and then I would lose some more. And I would just break shit, dude. 250, 250. I got that fucking nightmare in my head, dude. 250, 250, 250. All right, we're just trapped back inside the 3-minute range. So, got my key levels. I'm looking for a setup number 1, right? Setup number 1 at those key levels. We really just have breakouts and bounces and in-trend momentum entries. A lot of stuff. Again, I got a lot of notes. I'm going to be, again, just kind of going back through the rules. Been out of it. But with the commissions, which are they're decently high. I'm not going to lie. I don't want to be taking a lot of trades. I just want to take a couple quality trades. Maybe get lucky and hit a runner, right? Get lucky and hit a runner. And if I can work on, I really want to work on a management for a runner. Because that seems to, I hadn't really tried that runner before. I'm going to try it. But I'm going to go for 20 points total. And just kind of work on that runner if we have it. Gotta pass these freaking evaluations, man. I got nightmares about these son of a bitches because that NASDAQ. I couldn't pass a damn single one of them. Not even one. I blew up 7 evaluation accounts. And these are about to renew, so they're going to be fucked up too, which means it's going to be like 12. How can you trade for 4 months and not pass evaluation? It's unbelievable. We better start passing it. Some of y'all either pass it this month if y'all got a chance, or we better pass it next month, or I'm gonna like go ballistic. Probably just fucking give up if I can't pass it. All right, I'm watching this key level. Remember, the magic number's 2, baby. 2. All we need is to catch a pop, right? Get that 2 points, then we can breathe easy. Right? It's either going to get us 2 or we're going to lose 2. I'm doing 2 contracts, so if we lose 2, that's $200. Right? 200 bucks. I want to zoom in a little bit so I can see better. Again, I'm watching this key level. Okay? Watching this key level. I'm going to draw a line just for my own reference. I'm not saying I'm going to enter there. I might. I don't want it to go 5 points. I'd like for it to just kind of close right here in this area. That'd be nice. All right, so I'm watching the breakout. Ticks are picking up. I am watching for a breakout. Oh, man. I mean, you know what? Fuck it. I'll go for it if we get it. Let's see if we get our signal. All right, I'm going to get in at 96.50. If it pops up through that line, I'm in. All right, I'm in. 96.50, and I'm going for 106.50. Okay, 106.50. $4.50. 105. All right. See if we can get some juice, right? All right. I like it when moving up. Attaboy. See if we can get some action. Attaboy. Get it up here at, we've already locked in target 1. I like it. Target 1. Way to go. Attaboy. Go, baby. All right. Good job. Good job. I'm not looking at the P&L, okay? I'm just going to trade the trade based on the rules. Noises are going on. All right. Keep going, baby. Come on. Come on. Give us some juice. Pick it up. Get us 5 points. All we got to do, we're going 101. No, was it 10? We need to up here about. See if we can get some juice down here. I'm just kind of making lines. I just need to see it for my own benefit. All right. All right, so we want some momentum. Picks are picking up. So if we can get some thought. We're already, no matter what, we can't lose. So there is no loss in this trade. But I'd like to see, get some runner going here. We need to see some momentum. I mean, it's going to do what it does, right? Ticks are picking up 610. I like it. Boy, I sure would like to hit that 5. That's kind of our next magic number, right? I like that. Our stop is in a safe spot. Nice little pop up through that key level. That's good. Woo! Attaboy. Go! Attaboy! Locking in some more, baby. Locking in some more. I like it. Now we'll kind of work it up here. Attaboy, attaboy. That's what I'm talking about. Attaboy. Woo! All right. Go, baby. Go. That's what I like. Should have locked in. Did it lock in? Shit. There we go. Should have locked in some more. All right. All right. So I'm out. I'm out. $400. Bam! 400. Way to start the day. Now, what gets me is, let me take a break for a minute. I'm up 400. So, and I am copy trading. But what gets me, did y'all's, Jace or anybody else that has this, did your levels kick in? I need to know this. Yeah? So, mine wasn't kicking in. Does it automatically update it here or kicked in after close? I mean, I don't know if I'm making sense, but hang on. So, can you look at, man, that's still going. Can you look at mine real quick? So this is step 1, right? Offset and ticks triggered. Look, there it goes. It's still going to make it. Offset and ticks triggered. 25, because it didn't like step up. Once I sold it, then it showed that, but it didn't. Right here, is this right? Is this all OCO groups? Look, there it goes. Damn, hit the target anyway, guys. All OCO groups, look at that bad boy. I need to know. Y'all let me know. This is important. I'm not going to help. Okay. All OCO groups. offset and ticks triggered 28. Step 2, 32.50. Did it automatically lock in the profit as it was going, or whenever you got stopped out, then it showed the profit? Because that was kind of bothersome. See, mine didn't move up. And it says right here, offset and ticks triggered, this first one. All OCO groups. Yeah, shit. Huh. Because that went up 8, and it didn't lock in the profit. Like, it only locked in the first $100. Man, I'm so confused. Ticks, stop, all OCO groups, move to break even. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. It didn't move up during the trade. Like, I know it went up that 8. It should have locked it in right here. It didn't lock it in. I saw this number 300 and something, and it still said 100. Stop all. Okay, that's bothersome to me. Again, I'm just going to wait till 9 o'clock right now anyway, but that is bothersome. Stop. All OCO. Step 1. Well, we'll see. I'm not too happy about that. Because I was watching that profit, and this one said over 300, and this one still showed 100. It didn't step it and lock it into 200. Huh. Either way, what a way to... Maybe a lag? I mean, maybe, but that sucked. I mean, that was great. $400 is great. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. It's like, and you're sure yours looks exactly like that. OCO says link to all groups on that stop. Okay. Maybe it lags. I don't know. Either way, it's a victory, baby. Right off the bat. That's what I'm talking about. And I didn't really see those days that much in a stupid NASDAQ. Hey, thanks. Yes, sir. Nice trade. It was. All right, let's reset, recalibrate. Way to go. Way to go. So that's up 400. And I just really wish it would have stepped it up along the way. That got me kind of nerve-wracking, actually. All right. So let's go ahead and start marking some more levels. We got 15 minutes. It was a nice pop, though. Got me +8. It would have made it to still be growing. Actually, I mean, again, that kind of bothers me. But oh well. Let's not get crazy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start marking this level up here. I got too many windows open, man. It's hard for me to keep up what the hell's going on, dude. I might have to adjust. We still got 8 seconds left in that candle. Bounces and breakouts, all right? All right. Now, we do have this announcement, so I don't know if that's going to have it. It's not red, so I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to be looking to go long on a break up through this key level. You know what I want to do when I draw a line? I want to left extension on. Okay. I need it to go across. All right. All right, so I'm going to be watching for a pop up through this key level. See what happens. Remember, bounces and breakouts. I'm going to trade a lot more aggressively with this eval. I got some different rules when it comes to PA. But right now, I'm looking for a pop up through that key level to go long. Ticks are positive. Remember, we just need momentum, right? Our system is based on momentum. Once we get 2 points, hey, worst case scenario, we're good. For some reason, that shit didn't lock in my profit, which bothers me. Watch for the fake out, right? Again, I am trading the afternoon, so I got all day. And I got some stuff in the afternoon. I'm gonna, again, I'm gonna do a lot of talking this afternoon. But Charles is posting stuff, yeah. Trying to get my phone. I can't keep looking at those damn window screens. Charles has a runner. Just in case. I like to go long on that one, right? But I would like to see this VIX break down. The ticks are bouncing off the zero. That's good. So I am getting ready. Okay? I'm getting ready. All right, so we got a little fake out right here. Okay? Little fake out. Okay. So be mindful of this little fake out area. Okay, so I'm not going to take setup number one. When I have that fake out, I want to wait for the bounce. Plenty of opportunities. Okay, plenty. And I'm going to be talking about the bounce trade a little bit later, making the entry a little bit easier. We are popping up, but you got to be careful. There was a fake out. All right, we are popping through that, but you want this to prove itself. See how it's kind of selling off right there? And all you need is 2. Once you get 2, you're golden. It's like we're either going to get 2 or we're not. Get 2, bam. Next step, 5. That locks in 200. It should have. Mine didn't freaking lock in 200. I don't know what the hell happened. All right. See it selling off? Remember, shark in the water. Mitch said he's trying another long if it pulls back. Yeah, I want to see how we react to this key level. All right. Again, with my evaluation accounts, I will trade inside the 30-minute range. With the PA accounts, I'm not going to do that. Telling you, I got one set of rules, unfortunately, for an eval. And for a PA, I'm going to be a lot more conservative, right? I think that's the first time in a long time that the first trade that I took was a goddamn winner. With that NASDAQ, I think I lost every first trade. I believe I was freaking losing. I think I was. All right, mark your levels right here. So we got a minor key level. Remember, major key levels, minor key levels. And again, I'm doing a lot of talking because I'm trying to get myself back into it. I mean, I traded this ES for 5 years. And then I went to the NASDAQ for the last 4 months and I abandoned the ES. And I forgot a lot of it, which is awful. Should have, you know, again, it is what it is. I'm not going to look back anymore. Now going forward, again, I'm going to, try to pass these evals, right? If I can pass it, then I'll do some Apex videos. But right now, I haven't passed none of them. All right, so we're sinking down, which is fine, right? Went up here, we took our money. We got a couple different fake outs. Dude. Man, we can start passing these evals, get these PA accounts. 450, 450, 600 bucks a day. If you're copy trading, it's a lot of money, man. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. I would have done this a long time ago if I would have known. But I did not know anything about prop firm at all. Every trade that I would take with my own money, if I lost, it was 500 bucks. It's a lot different when it's not your money. You don't have to worry as much, right? All right, so remember, shark in the water, shark in the water. We know this is a dangerous spot. What does that mean? No setup number one. No setup number one. We have to wait for 2 or 3, which is our bounce opportunities. We want to see that break, let it get running. And right now, we're trapped in like a no-buy situation. Okay? But we are coming off a, if you back it out a little bit, we are coming off a higher high. Okay? We are coming off a higher high. So we are in this range, no bias, but with a bullish tilt, right? We want to go in the direction of the trend always. And once we break out, if we break to the top, then we're going to be focusing on our bounce, right? Yesterday, I made 2 mistakes. I had 2 entries that I took yesterday that were not entries. But I've been out of the game, so I gave myself a pass. And then in the afternoon, we took a trade and we won it. So all right. Let's kind of see how we react up here. Oh, yeah, I know you got that appointment. Yep. I know you got that appointment, bro. And so I'm just kind of watching right in this area. Ticks are picking back up. We held that 0. I like it. We're racing up pretty hard. That's nice. Get us through this, and we could be off to the races. And then I'll just wait for a clean pullback. What does Charles say? Charles says, ES is overlapping 5. Want to see a breakout, then it retraced. Yeah, me too. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that breakout. Fucking crypto market taking a beating. You know what? Every market's taking a fucking beating. It ain't just the crypto market. But you know what? It's fine. That's the way crypto does. In the 2017 bull run, during that bull run, altcoins would take between 40 and 60% pullbacks during the bull run. Crypto is just fucking crazy. Okay? Yeah, it shot up and then pull back 60% and shoot up again. So, unfortunately, yeah, it sucks, but it's par for the course. Look at that. See, no momentum. Everything we do revolves around momentum. We need to get above this. Okay, right? We need to get... There we go. I'm not taking the breakout, but this is what we want to see. We want to see conviction, right? Just kind of market some major key levels as they come about. Okay, I like it. Man, that's good. So what I want to see is, let it go up and then we catch the pullback, right? And again, I need to make sure I follow my rules. So these are only $50,000 accounts. You don't have to make a lot to pass, but you don't have to lose a lot to blow it up either. So you got to be careful. But again, I'm going to be trading a lot today, so it's not a problem, right? We're up $400 copy trading. It's the first time I think I've been up in a while. The baby boy. Remember, in-trend momentum, right? So I'll be looking for setup number 4. Number 3, look at it pull back. The sellers up here, they're not letting this run to the wind. All right. Again, I want to see it close above there. Everything looks good. Then we just wait for a pullback, right? Or an in-trend momentum entry. No big deal. We're not going to chase. Heck no. But this is good. Market's up 43. Shit, I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, man, market's pumping. The baby boy is working. When is your appointment, Jason? So this is good. So as this works its way up, I'm looking for setup number 4. Gotcha. I'm looking for setup number 4. Okay? That's our in-trend momentum entry until we pull back. But I'm biased up. We're only interested in going long. All right? We got several minor key levels. Look at that. Several minor key levels. Yeah, I bet that NASDAQ's whipping around. That NASDAQ was a beast. That NASDAQ was a monster. And it wasn't just the NASDAQ was a monster. Honestly, to me, what was a monster was those damn Unirinco charts. I hate those Unirinco charts. Hate them. Charles says we have a bias up renewed unless 5 is broken. So as long as we're above 5, buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. Just wait for your entry signal and buy, buy, buy. So that commission on that trade was $7.96. That's what I paid for that trade commission. $7.96. Damn. So if it's $7.96 per, I got to watch these accounts too, man. These accounts are going to be renewing, and I can't renew them under 50 grand. So I might, again, as these days go by, I'm going to be becoming a lot more aggressive because at this point, with what I learned is when it renews at whatever balance it's at, unless it's blown up. That's not good. And I got down a lot with the NASDAQ, a lot. So it's either going to take me win a lot or lose to make sure they're all wiped out. So when they renew in a couple days, like by Friday, fuck. Yeah, I'm going to have to start dropping some bombs here pretty soon. This was very close to our in-trend momentum entry. Very close. Again, I'm very consistent. That's a nice, that was close. We are grinding it up so that we had that little pause. So this is good. I'm just waiting to get in. I'll still get in, but damn, this bad boy is running. VIX popped down. I mean, it looks good. It ended up blowing through that. We had that pause, but we just broke through the 128 key level right here. The 128 key level. And I'm just waiting for a pullback or an in-trend entry. No problem. 2 or 3 trades a day. 2 or 3 trades a day is all you got to do. And if you take 3 trades, hey, if you win 2 of those 3, you are going to be golden. And if one of them just happens to be a runner, it's over. So we got to be very strategic. I'm not going to do like I did with the NASDAQ where I'm taking 38 trades a day, just buying like, that ain't going to ever happen. My goal is to pass the evals and trade these PAs successfully and consistently make money, have Apex pay us money, you know? We're not going to use our own damn money anymore. I mean, the market's just back in that, almost back in that stupid channel, right? All right, so we might have some sellers up here. I'm going to change the way I do my bounce because I got a message. I'm going to make it easier today when I talk about it. I'm going to make it easier. Ticks have dropped down, so this might kind of take a night. It might take a little pullback. No, it's not. I didn't even think about that. Shit, I didn't even think about that, Jason. You know what? I might record the afternoon. Because in the afternoon, I'm going to do a lot of talking about the rules. Because again, I got to... Oh, you won't be able to be in the afternoon at all? Well, if you're at an appointment, who knows how long it's going to last? Really? Yeah. This is not recorded, unfortunately. But I do absolutely love. So let me back out for a minute. I absolutely love what's going on, though. I'll tell you that right now, because this is a great sign. Again, I've studied this S&P for a while. I love how we've popped out of the range. Okay, if we can hold this, come up here, maybe go into that squeeze that we talk about, that squeeze outside the key area, that's going to dictate the whole day. Okay, but I love how we've popped out and now we're just moving up. So this should be some good opportunities today to make money. We're already up. One trade for one trade, 400 is what I'm up. I don't know what y'all are up, but I'm up 400. And I am copy trading because I got a fucking choice. So we might be stalling up here in this area, which is fine. Let it pull back. What I'd like to see is us come back and start testing some of these levels and then giddy up. Patience, right? Patience. Especially now. We can really afford to be patient. So what did MH say? XRP. All right. They're talking about XRP. It's not just XRP, it's the whole fucking market, dude. All right. I like what I'm seeing. I want to see if we can get that nice close below this. Let me zoom in a little bit. It ticks are picking back up. This could be it. Again, right now I'm only looking for number 4. There's buyers. There's buyers. We broke out. I mean, this is buy us up all the way, my friends. Just look for your entry and go long. Buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. Just right now, there ain't no dip. There we go. I want to see it come down. I do want to see it come down a little bit. All right. Then we got minor key levels here. We got 3 minor key levels and then a major key level. So we got a lot of areas that this could pull back and bounce off. Oh, sprinkler! Sprinkler water, right? Fucking sprinkler. Give me a break. Damn sprinkler. How much time has that fucking candle got? That candle still got 30 seconds, dude. It seems like forever. But again, there's gonna be a lot of trading today, I'm telling you, man, or at least I'm gonna give it a shot. Good news is we're outside this range. And I'm still looking for a number 4 entry if it happens. I'll still be in here for like another 15 minutes. And then I'm going to get into options, take a break, and then come back just like yesterday. Yesterday, we hit our trade. We only took 1 trade in the afternoon, and we hit it. All right, so we close with a hammer, right? You see that beautiful hammer? Or you could call it a hanging man, right? It is at resistance. So, but again, depends on how you see it. You see it as a pullback, it's a hammer. If you don't, it's a hanging man. Either way, it needs confirmation, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. We never closed below this low, though. So we still have not officially made a high. Well, we already got a high. We haven't confirmed the high. It's still going up. So I'm still looking for number 4. I got to go to the bathroom real quick because I'm not entering this second anyway because remember number 4. It's a 2 candle pattern. I'll be right back. Been worried about the problems. I've been working it all night long. Thinking about tomorrow. All right, there we go. That's what I want to see, baby. A candle has about 1.5 minutes, but I do like it. We came back into that level, so that's good. Again, I'm going to revise the way I do my bounce entry because I got a message. I'm going to make it easier. But I like this. Here's that pullback that we've been waiting for. Been thinking about tomorrow. Nice, Dion. Charles says, always take +10. Yeah, that's kind of my, that magic number. These fucking idiots, dude, on crypto. Whoa! Look at that candle. Holy mother Joseph. So here's the deal, my friends. If we close back inside that range, well, no. At 9:30, if we're inside this range, that's going to change some things. Okay, now we did hold this. So let's see. And again, I'm going to be waiting for a bounce, but I'm going to change the way I do my entry. But this is a nice pullback. So I am going to be looking for these levels to hold to go long. Maybe we'll get another trade before options. Okay, but this is good. We're holding the 69.2 key level. I'm going to change the way I do the bounce. So here's what I got to do, my friends, at 9:30. So Mitch, Matt, y'all have an incredible day. We're going to stay in this room and day trade, and then I do options for 1 hour. Option swing trading inside the members area. And then if you are a member with us in the coaching, we trade in the afternoon. You get the course that goes with it. Again, I know you know what you're doing. This is the ES, but hey, if you want to join us, check down below. If not, we'll be back tomorrow. Great morning so far. We got a little bit more to go, but I'm going to pop off YouTube and we're going to finish this inside the school. Peace out. Have a great day. Thanks for popping in. I truly appreciate it. Look at that candle.